everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can view your vacancy menu in Kidsoft. To do this, you're going to click on your service menu and under SP features, click on vacancies. This feature is helpful and will save you time, allowing you to see at a screenshot the overview of your vacancies or utilisation for each room. By default, the week ending will always be the current week. If you would like to see a week in the future, you can simply click on the date and select a new week ending. You can switch your display mode from vacancies to utilisation, and by default, it will exclude the absences. So if you want to see all of your vacancies and utilisation, including your absences, you can simply untick the exclude absentees box. You can save and print PDF from this screen, and you can also calculate for the entire service. To ensure your vacancy menu is reading correctly, you need to ensure your operating hours has been completed for the service and for your rooms. To do this, you can click on your service menu and under General, click on Details. And then you're going to click on the operating hours. To ensure your service license capacity is reading correctly, please make sure the number is entered in the license capacity. So this is your overall number of children you can have at your service. To check for your rooms, you can click on the service menu and under Configuration, click Rooms and Booking Types. Then you can click on your operating hours. And you would need to ensure that your operational positions have been completed. If your operational positions are different for each day, you can simply enter in a different field per day and then click Save. For further information on how to view your vacancy menu in Kidsoft, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.